Hey everybody, and welcome to Quarantine Cooking with Carter. Quarantine Cooking with Carter. Today we're going to be frying an egg. I've never done it before, but we're gonna try our best. Okay, so the setup is kind of the boring part, so I'll make a little montage to speed things up. Why is this hot? I'm just waiting for it to heat up really quick. Yeah.
Tries to fry one egg.
Okay, well, the fire alarm just went off. I almost just burnt my house down, but we still have an egg and we still have to flip it, so. Oh. This didn't go to plan. You know what? That doesn't look bad. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm just kidding, I'll take a little bite. Oh. I'm never cooking again.
I'm gonna teach you today how to make the best sandwich that you've ever had in your entire life. Bread box, get some bread. There, bread. You have peanut butter. Oh yeah. Skittles. And the freaking peanut butter knife. You're ready to begin. And just dip it right in that peanut butter. Get it real nice and line it up. Your knife is drenched in peanut butter. You want to slab it on there. Grab them little Skittles. Put them on there. Make sure it's an even display on both. Peanut butter sandwich, right? Red hot. Get that on there. Yeah, you want to spray that on the Skittles. So, okay, get some on that side. Get some on there. Put both them pieces together just like that, like. Hey, you entertain yourself with a quarantine snack. Let's go see what everyone else had.
Hey guys, welcome to In the Hall. Today for my quarantine meal, I'm making mac and cheese. Let's go. This is the pasta we're working with, fellas. It's like, here, I'll hold it up to the screen like I'm a cool beauty guru. It is swirly. It's called elbows. Ow! Oh. Up here, so we got milk and butter. Yeah, Venice, and then there's the one where he's like at the gym. Goodness, this looks so disgusting. This is what we're working with right now. It looks like Cheeto dust. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Beth, you're gonna be King of Scotland. What is this? Oh, this is our final product. It looks very appetizing. It literally just tastes like cooked pasta. It doesn't taste like there's any cheese on it. All right, what do you think of my beautiful mac and cheese, Julia Reed?
Totally recommend, 100%.
Thank you.
Gordon Ramsay.
Could do all that, or take three things. All right, you get a cup of water, get a K-cup, and you get this bad boy, a Keurig. Alright, so it's 3 steps. 3 steps here. Get your water, take that out, dump it in, all of it. Let that go down, pop in. Hit go. That's how you make my favorite hot chocolate recipe. Hot, hot.